Hey, it's Reyff Designs, and we're back with Trophy Tuesday. And I just wanted to showcase some trophies that I have finished up for this year's Bug Run 2025. Kind of show you what I've done and how I did it. Just kind of go over them. This won't be really a tutorial. It'll just be kind of what I've made so far. Alrighty, here we go. Alright, so these are the last 4 trophies that I've made, and I thought I would kind of go over them, show them off a little bit. Hopefully get people excited about coming to this year's Bug Run 2025, and maybe they might get one. Who knows, right? Anyway, one of the best ones I love to make is the Iron Butt Award. This Iron Butt Award, part of this was made on my 3D printer, which is going off right now. Made a lot of these pieces and parts on the Bamboo X1. This thing is a beast, but let's get back to what I'm talking about with Trophy Tuesdays. So again, the Iron Butt Award again has been made for this year for the 12th annual Bug Run. Whoever comes the furthest point to our run will get this beauty. Second, I finished up a second place award for the Bug Run. So we give you a sticker, and if you get a bug close to the center, you can win a prize. And this year will be the this is the second place prize, basically a bug run, you know, bug running on a treadmill. Anyway, my son gave me the idea. I said, hey, let's go for it. What the hell? And it's praying mantis on a treadmill. Yeah. Anyway, I made a couple of these little flies out of spark plugs, some Allen bolts, spoons. They'll just be around, maybe handed out. Who knows? First place for the bullseye, whoever gets the closest to the center will get this beauty. And what I did was I used the air cleaner from a Harley. I 3D printed the face, the goggles, the tongue, and I wanted to kind of be a chrome look that came off of the air filter or air cover. And we added a mosquito on top, kind of sucking the blood out of the top of the head. Came up pretty good. It's all made out of spoons, clothes hangers. I think I made this out of I got a nail. Found 2 grease fittings for eyes. Just kind of welded together with some stainless rod and all TIG welded. So that's the first place. And then again, another bug, same kind of idea. Made it with a champion plug. I used the fork for the legs, and then I used the some more Allen bolts with spoon. I just cut it, split it for wings. And then I got this from one of our members, Joe. Basically, clutch basket, kind of cool because it spins. I add some flies to the corners. And I like the way it spins because it's kind of cool. It's got a pill for the oldest rider. And I got this from another member of ours. It's an old trophy top. Just kind of makes it look really cool. And this will actually pop open. Again, this will pop open. And as you open it up, you got all the old rider stuff you need. Some readers. If you look down deep in here, you got some acetaminophen. You got some chewables, Alka-Seltzers, Pepto-Bismol, some more Tylenol. You know, just the good stuff out there that you need. Again, this will be given to the oldest rider. It's just a pretty sweet little trophy. It's heavier than all get out too. It's pretty heavy. Of course, it's a clutch basket, but so yeah, that's the trophies that I finished up for this year's Bug Run. They always get a great laugh if you're doing a run for yourself or your chapter or your association. Just something to kind of do and look over. So anyways, that does it for me for the Trophy Tuesday segment. And if you have any questions, hit them down below in the comments. If you like this material, please subscribe. If you have any other great ideas for trophies, maybe you've come with some trophy ideas for your chapter or your car show or whatever, please put them down in the comments because I'm always trying to get other new ideas. So until next time, it's Rob with Reyff Designs. Later.